Ebusuya samaba. Me no ka say the NDC ni girl ba kon da ba beto abonten say. John Dramani Mahama Ghana man panyini. Yembusa wo say. Ananya bia NDC party mo person beba power bi o mana. Isan say wa bre any say they be o defend something that is not defendable. Or say mo di bonia ma boni na modi no e bia ba beto ono ankasa o ye NDC ni. And we buta say boni ben NDC fu adi. Or say NDC for buy and obeti ye send ye bubu we dan ye bubu we store ye tutu we container ya ye we na oma ye sadie na we defend afedi ono ankasa ye NDC ni mpo no mu de bi edi no and the girl no ne buafuo wakasa ankasa chese nsem waka akọ John Dramani Mahama ni NDC fo no ebusuya se woni ensa o ka kire o say John Dramani Mahama wo nu ne ho papa wo nu ne ho se okoto aba na ye campaign de ma NDC in the 2024 general elections o chese se akwa bi onam no onam na amanfo ehuru na amanfo osere no na amanfo twetwe no isan say omo say wankasa wa banpo na ya mekom de wene ene ebusuya ge ne su papa na odi nsem so atotwa na menche ema menjwa wasom no me no bebo roma ko tie nsem wa ye nwa ba yo ye NDC ni anewura awi e de atotwa na kai say ha e Ghana Nsem TV mestre say onyan subscribe to channel na obe subscribe to channel no e de amaye uwie nso a obe like na wa share na wa kire wa adwin e wo comment section mu ye enko tie nsem nwa ba na de atotwa no embra
NDC for ade 4 years ni so amumba bi mu ana no mun kan kire 4 years ni so a mumba power bi mu ana se mumba bi mu a mun kan kire na ye mu bi na ye campaign de support mu no ye njai ni empe ye ba bi ntina because ye mu bi since election time ye campaign ya bepe mu nne ye da so ye campaign etia MPP for now beda be sorry yes ye bubu obi dan ubeda be sorry yes ye bubu obi kiosk ubeda be sorry yes ye bubu obi container mi ankasa me ye mu party member mpo mu di mi na me ye mu party member mpo mu di mi baby a me de me container si mu tu me den baby a me container si mu tu me den why because of say obi di ni sika to ma no aduane NDC for mama obi di ni sika to me ma no aduane bra ma bre for so many years campaign ama ye ni na akire bra ma bre no emfaso a me teso aba adi ma anya hwe ya mfiri so baby a metena so a menya me nsa no aduane akoma no so a mama obi di ni sika to ma no aduane nti se 4 years ne so na se mo mapa wa bi ma mo nka na ye no ye na ye de politics ye campaign at the time ochi ye campaign mamo day and night from anopa to enumre ye say ye data say ye credit at the campaign at the mamo no se mo mapa power bi se 4 years ne so na mo mapa wa bi ma mo nka kire ni enjai ni empa ye ba bi ntina because ye nyamfaso bi amfiri so emfaso nso so ye benya afiri so ne say ye benya ba bi kakra de ya de asi na ye beton bibi de akoya no nso so a eno nso so no beda be sori ye si ye tu me ye mo party member mpo mu tu me den asase a meteso mu tu me den se me tu why because of say obi di ni sika to me manu aduane na me hye mo bo say baby a mete no se mo obi di ni sika to manu aduane na mutu me enne me TikTok app yi me delete and me nye campaign biem me Eeii me nye campaign biem e mo obi a biem me pe me baby atena na madwen me ho because of campaign ti me nhwe me chi nhwe manim me nhwe mabusuya o me nhwe obi a because of campaign ti me nyema bebere na ahwere me but ye mu bi ye nkasa ehye because of say ye nim say emre pa beba na say ye na ye mo party member no ye na mo twa mo ho edidi ye dia mate ti ye me TikTok se mo gi asase a mete so efiri mi nsa that's all campaign mi nya bi me TikTok app yin so medilate mo pa mo hwade
me say ewiase ne ye wo no se etufu na wanti a okwanti ade bebe ka kire wo say the biggest mistake you can ever make as a Ghanaian is to vote for the NDC. Sister, Mr. Mensu, why? Bisu bi ama. Mensu. Way I want a political party. You've not seen anything yet. Aban Papa second independence. Kwame Nkrumah Ghana and Wasa Baba Bije. And now when I'm yet to Abawi say second independence. Aban Papa Eyezu Eyeza. Now for Eyezu Ezu na Eyezan so Ezawa. What's it then? Eyezu Ezu and na Eyezan so Ezawo. What's it then? Keep quiet and suffer. Keep quiet and suffer. Ezu na ezanso ezawo. Enti ezu eza ina eya osa. You can't asem chira mo say the biggest mistake you can ever make as a Ghanaian is to wake up and go and vote for the NDC. You guys, I catch you and me say, I don't know what I'm talking about. You called me names, insulted me. Today, you are here crying to Ghanaians. You are here telling Ghanaians that you are disappointed in your own political party. As we would not even tell you. Nkabeka say a different thing. But we told you that, bro. Hello, sister girl. The biggest mistake I will hear is our campaign Dama the NDC because you wake up one day and feel disappointed. You wake up one day and feel disappointed. What did you guys say? What did you guys say? Now you are crying. Now you are complaining. What do you want us to do? I want to ask you this is a very simple question. What do you want us to do? How do we help you? It is not our fault that you are suffering today. It is your own fault because you choose to be stubborn. You choose to be stubborn, and that's the reason why you are suffering today. Today, John Dramani Mahama is in power, but the NDC people are suffering. You guys are hungry because we told you. When the wicked rules, the people suffer. I told you. Look at what is happening in this country. Look at what is happening. Look at what is happening in this country. And what do you want us to do? We want you people, and you're not listening. So this is just simple. This is just the beginning. Papa, second independence. You can answer TV meeting at the promise. Ebusuya enim guasia and the up to NDC MP baako e Parliament no. Ese weni ensa o ka kire. Sese we twan troma onon kasa ni Speaker of Parliament. Aka chen sabaga we nko ade ye tro. I just
want to place on record, Mr. Speaker, that for a very long time, the recruitment process was centralized. It took the intervention of this government to revert back to the old system of having the process decentralized. Mr. Speaker, Honorable Member, factually, you are incorrect. Factually, you are incorrect. Mr. Speaker, my take is that for a long time, the decentralized
the fastest ever in the history of Parliament. Me say, Eyezu, what did you say? Eyentro, Eyaza, 419, Abain. According to NDC4, almost say, DSC or Ewak Sports Stadium and Dra, Yenuanomu in Sia Euyeno, free education and the courses are
need sending people to school, then at the end of the day, they'll finish school and be home unemployed. So I personally think that the excess number of students that we churn out from the senior high schools as a result of the free SHS is a contributory factor to what we witnessed yesterday. Again, what also happened yesterday clearly shows that policy decisions, economic policy decisions, must be made based on data. Just as you rightly said, government alone cannot create jobs to employ everybody that...
NDC communicator, TV3, and I'm proud to just say, a year tragedy is and draw Nipa in Sia Shiramonquano, and the cost of education is answer. Ekufo adu ani trimu iya mre a odwin nipa ho ama Ghana fo bebida akọ school ama omako school no omunya adwuma nye no nti no nkoko wuye no na say NDC person kire say enisa Ghana focus school na say buko school omunya adwuma anye. The question is military ne say woni senior school certificate kwa na yemfa it's a bakuna school ebe dey na yafa no. In NDC there is no sensible person in that political party.
Se Ghana fo nim no mu sran ma John Mahama be president bi ma enima be sisi Ghana no obi antimi tena Ghana mo pa mo date nto.
Well, these are strong words that you shouldn't be able to say.
Oh, but onyame se menka so president emo onyame se choose another king as a president.
Has God rejected President Mahama?
Oh yes.
Why? How?
Emoja won nsa ho.
Munim we nyina na masad mo sa opportunity so abon paya ma no amagara fa ko to abama no e na dollar na 10 cities and so to ade kura ye nto e no ma boya tendenze o ma be e na kwanhia na to gara fo hwe de sisi o ma be abruso na do nyakopo we hu ye mo bo na se de mo ja kura woni pa kura nsa ho e edi ye na o ma be mu ti abruso papa yesu ye hu na mane amanfo ma adai moja kramo fa firi o ma be mko Ghana for omo nyina asem bi nko akire wo enkura 16 no mentete ya me nya ne se omu Wednesday helicopter crash no esi Wednesday enra ye musema hu dia asesi National Cathedral no a modi ye politics guna na do animu ase no ne mo hu se nanado wonye boni bia kanofuli ata wonye boni bia na ye nim guase na mo de gu nanado no mo ka che ibu Mahama no me pa nanado a chew ese papa no wonye boni bia nko wi aga na sika bia ensa de beba de me ka sa se nyaku boni pa o de beba de kakra ka bia cha wo so no